How to log in Sweat Wallet account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First and foremost, make sure that you have installed Sweat Wallet application in your device. If not, head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in Sweat Wallet. This is the app that you should have in your device. So once you have installed it, tap open on the page. Then here, tap on enter. Now here you have to type in your username or the secret phrases that you used in order to get logged into your Sweat Wallet account. Now if you don't remember your secret phrases, you can also type in your Sweat Coin username. In order to do so, you have to tap on the Sweat Coin username and you can enter your Sweat Coin username here. And if you don't know either of it, you can tap on private key and insert the private key, then tap on continue to your account. If your code is valid, you will successfully land onto the home page of your account, and that is how you can do it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then feel free to comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.